1, 2, 3, go. All right. 2 Maddogmountainarts pour 2. What are we today? December the 14th, I think, or the 13th. I don't know. I let my kid eat the 14th Advent calendar candy, so that must be where we're at, I guess. Anyway, so what do we got here? Bear. My yellow Jasper bear. Octopus. Mushroom head. Octopus. The translucent powder turned out really, really nice. Some snowflakes. We got a few videos of these snowflakes with the, that's the powder that I got from Wish, the translucent powder. And a few local stones, some quartz, and on this one you can see a piece of cedar, some translucent powder in there. There's a lighter. It turned out a little fat, but I still like it. So I've got another bunch set up. I didn't finish all of the ashtray, so we're going to tidy that up. I've got a couple other things here. We'll make some more snowflakes. I'm going to finish this off with green, and then that will be completely finished nightlight. The new piece I've got that I'm really excited about is tray though, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour clear of that translucent powder in here, and I think this is going to be beautiful. I think I would clear, or I do have this like opalescent glow in the dark that might be kind of cool too. Maybe we'll try that. Anyway, so no, it's not pink shirt day. And here we go. I'm going to do a few videos of actually pouring this. This one didn't take that long because it was like half. I had it half set up. And yeah, we're going to do another bear with some moss in there. And we're going to try these globes. I finally got these globes set up. I just did one rock, a couple beads, and some shimmering powder because I'm not quite sure what they're going to look like. So very excited about that. We'll make some more videos. Anyways, thanks for watching.